let us discuss the common system nomenclature of the dihaloalkanes. So only two types of the dihaloalkanes can be named according to the common system, that is geminal dihaloalkanes and vicinal dihaloalkanes. So geminal dihaloalkanes are the such type of the dihaloalkanes where the two similar halogen atoms are bonded to the same carbon atoms. Geminal dihaloalkanes are the such type of the dihaloalkanes where the two similar halogen atoms are bonded to the only one carbon atom. So such type of the geminal dihaloalkanes can be named by the common system formula, that is alkylidene halide. Here the alkylidene is indicating the number of carbon atom present in the aliphatic system. For example, CH2Cl2. Look at this example. The chlorine is bonded to the one carbon atom containing aliphatic system. So one carbon atom containing aliphatic system will be known as that is methylidene halide. Methylidene chloride. Chloride is indicating the presence of the two chlorine atoms on the same carbon atom. Suppose two carbon atoms are there in which the halogen is bonded to the only one carbon atom. Two halogen atoms are bonded to the only one carbon atom, but aliphatic system is containing two carbon atoms. So then it is ethylidene chloride. Ethylidene chloride. If it is three, propylidene chloride, fluoride, bromide, iodide, butylidene iodide, pentylidene iodide, and so on. So generally, alkylidene halide is indicating the common name of the geminal dihaloalkanes where the two similar halogen atoms are bonded to the only one carbon atom, where alkylidene is indicating the number of carbon atoms which are present in the aliphatic system. Second type of the dihaloalkane where the two halogen atoms are bonded to the adjacent carbon atoms. Here these adjacent carbon atoms are containing two similar halogen atoms. For such type of the vicinal dihaloalkanes, the formula is alkylene dihalide. There alkylidene halide, here alkylene dihalide. So this common name formula we need to use. CH2Cl, CH2Cl. Look at this example where the two adjacent carbon atoms which are next to each other and bonded to the similar type of the two halogens, that is chlorine. So therefore, alk is indicating two carbon atom here. Two means ethylene dichloride. Suppose three carbon atoms are there. CH3, CHCl, CH2Cl, propylene dichloride. Propylene dichloride, pentylene dichloride, hexylene dichloride, butylene dichloride, and so on. So generally it is alkylene dihalide for vicinal dihaloalkanes. For geminal dihaloalkanes, alkylidene halide. So this is about the dihaloalkanes. So let us go with some of the examples where the three halogen atoms are present in the aliphatic system. So three halogen atoms containing aliphatic systems are also named according to the common system, but the only one derivative of alkane can be named, that is trihalo derivative of alkane can be named according to the common system. For example, trihalo derivative of methane. See, only trihalo derivative of methane. Trihalo derivative of methane can only written according to the common system, can be only written the common name of trihalo derivative of methane. Methane means four hydrogen atom containing one carbon atom. Out of these four hydrogen atoms, three are replaced with the similar type of the halogens, then the formula will be CHX3. So this molecular formula of CHX3 can be named as halo form according to the common system. This formula we need to follow. Halo means halogen atoms. Three similar type of the halogen atoms. Halophore bonded to the same carbon atom of a methane. Suppose CHF3, we need to write it as fluorophore. CHCl3, bromophore. CHI3, CHCl3, chlorophore. CHBr3, bromophore. Similarly, CHI3, iodophore. Hence, this haloform is the trihalo derivative of methane formula to name according to the common system. So this ends with the few common names of the haloalkanes, such as monohaloalkanes, two dihaloalkanes, geminal and vicinal, and the trihaloalkane derivative of methane. Trihalo derivative of methane, that is halophore.